So finally the biggest update has come to the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. A lot of features has been added and also new watch faces like this has been added to the watch. You can see this is a one of a kind watch face, as we can change the entire wallpaper watch face with a single tap, and also these are animated watch faces and it looks really good on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. We will see all the watch faces which are newly added and also the always on display and the functions related to the watch faces, and also we will see the new features which are added to this watch after the update. So as always, this video will be a sick video guys, and if you are a tech enthusiast, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up because I will be making more videos like this. So recently the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 has got an update, and this update has changed a lot of things in this watch. You can see this is the biggest update it has received, as this update size was 900 MB, and we can see that this update has bring a lot of Galaxy Watch 5 features to this watch. So let's first see what is the version of this update. So for that we need to go to settings, in the settings about watch, and here you can see that the version of the update is definitely 4.5. so this has been a One UI update which has been added, and this is the software version. So the watch has been totally updated and also a lot of watch faces and features has been added. So let's first see what are the watch faces that has been recently added. So the first watch face which is added is known as the Infoboard watch face. So this watch face is a special watch face. As you can see, it displays a lot of information like the weather information time by time. Also it shows you the UV ray information and the precipitation information, that is whether it will rain or how much rain can happen throughout the day. So really important informations are displayed regarding the weather, and also you can see the time, date and the day along with few of the shortcuts. This is the shortcut to heart rate and this is the shortcut to start a workout. Obviously this can be configurable and this can be customizable according to your choice, and that is the beauty of this watch face. So there are a lot of information you can configure in this watch face, and also it comes with a beautiful always on display. So always on display is the full always on display, and it is exactly like the watch face in here. So the next watch face which has been added is the kinetic digits, and you can see this is a big bold watch face which shows you the time, and also there is some animation going on. So really beautiful looking watch face, and also it has this workout mode shortcut along with the heart rate information it will display. So the always on display which comes with this watch face is also good, and it displays relatively a good number of information, and obviously you can also customize this watch face according to your choice. So definitely a good looking watch face which has been added recently in the Galaxy Watch 4, and I will recommend you to use this animated watch face on this watch. Next on the list is a really animated watch face. This is known as the Flower Garden watch face, and this watch face shows you the time in this beautiful flower background, and this is an animated watch face which you can get. Obviously you can change the patterns and the background in this watch face according to your choice. So there are a really good number of background which you can choose from, and obviously it looks good on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So definitely you can use this watch face, as this is a really good looking watch face you are getting on this watch, and all the watch faces are animated in this Flower Garden watch face. Next watch face which is added is the gradient number watch face. This is a simple watch face, and also this is animated watch face. You can see there is a little animation going on, and also you can customize this watch face according to your choice, and the always on display is also a beautiful one. So definitely a good looking watch face you will be getting on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, which shows you the time in this analog format. Next watch face on the list is the Pebbles watch face. This is also an animated watch face, and you can see a beautiful animation is going on. Obviously you can also customize this watch face according to your choice. The pebbles which drops from the top are of different colors, so it also comes with a beautiful always on display, and always on display only shows you the time, date and the day. So a beautiful looking watch face which has been added to the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 after the update. Last watch face which has been added is also a Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 watch face, and this is known as the Pro Analog watch face. So it shows you the information regarding the weather and the battery percentage, and obviously it shows you the time, and there is a workout mode which can be configured according to your choice. So this is a shortcut to start any of the workout mode instantly. So definitely a really good looking watch face you are getting with the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 new update. And this also comes with a beautiful always on display. So the always on display is a very beautiful one, as this is showing you every bit of information, and there is also colors going on in the always on display. Like in the weather you can see the yellow color is there, and definitely it looks really good on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So this one is one of the best watch faces that is added, simple classic watch face. So this watch face also comes with a lot of variants. You can choose any one of them according to your choice, and all the watch faces really look good on this watch. So you can see this has been configured to calories. So as I will burn my calories, it will also fill the data in here. So now you can configure every bit of the watch face from the phone and the watch itself. So if we take this watch face only, if we click on customize, you will see a lot of variants will be coming, and in the variants you can configure the indexes like the dials, also the watch hands, like how the watch hands will look on this watch. And definitely you can also configure the color. There are a lot of colors which you can select from, and the configuration like what you want to configure as the function of the watch face. So if I click on steps and click on save, so now it has been changed to steps. So as I will complete this step count, it will fill this meter, and this meter will also help you to know how much steps you have completed. So really good configuration options the Samsung has added, and the customization options are endless in this new update. So really good job has been done by Samsung regarding the customization options you are getting in the watch faces. So the next feature which has been added is regarding the watch face, and you can now manage the favorite watch faces in there by clicking on this little icon. So there are three options: most recent, custom, and name. So in custom I can just drag and put any watch face in the beginning or anywhere in this favorite list. So in this way the watch faces will be a lot more accessible, and definitely it will be easier for you to find all the watch faces in there. The next change is regarding the keyboard in the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So now the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 keyboard, which is the Samsung keyboard, supports the QWERTY mode, and this mode also supports the predictive swipe typing. So if I want to type something in the small screen, it will be easier for me. And also we used to download the Gboard. Now you can do all the features of Gboard in this Samsung keyboard only, which comes by default. And there is also a swipe gesture which has been added to quickly swipe the writing modes and the smileys in here. So to select the QWERTY keyboard, you have to go to settings, and in the input languages you have to select QWERTY from here. Activate the QWERTY keyboard in this watch. So definitely a good improvement it has done in terms of keyboard, which comes by default in this watch. So the next update is regarding the voice recorder in this watch. So whenever you will be recording any of the voice recorder will record it, and when you stop it, it will be sent to your phone automatically. You don't need to do anything. So here you can see I have already got a notification regarding the voice recording in my phone. Also if you send any screenshot in this watch, it will send it to your phone directly. So here you can see voice screenshot saved, and I can just open it from my phone itself. I don't need to find it. So really good feature they have added in the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So next feature they have added is regarding the alarm. So in the alarm section you can now have more options to set the alarm. Like if I want to click on here and choose the time when I want to set the alarm, I will get the option whether it will repeat. Also the date, I can schedule the alarm at any time and date, and I can set a name just like we can set it on a phone. And also there is the option to snooze the alarm. So you can set the snooze time to 5 minutes, 10 minutes according to your choice. So really good job done by Samsung in terms of alarms in this watch. Also, two new features has been added in the accessibility options in this watch. First feature is regarding the interaction and dexterity. So this feature will help you to choose the amount of touch and hold delay, so how fast the watch will react to your touch. You can set it from here. And also there is an option to select the left right sound balance in there. So when you will be playing music, you can set the left right balance of the tracks, just like we can do in a phone. So a lot of features has been added regarding the accessibility options. Also in the font size, they have added more options to increase the fonts. So now we can make the fonts really big, and it is also easier to change the font size in this watch. So if you want the font in this watch to be really big, you can do that now from the font size settings in this watch. Also there are some minor improvements, like now the GIF file is supported in the Galaxy Watch 4. So if anyone is sending any GIF file in the WhatsApp, you will get a notification in here and you can play that GIF file. And now in the Bixby, it supports the quick comments option, so you can configure multiple comments with a single comments in the Bixby of this watch. Although I use the Google Assistant in this watch, this can be a really good option to have in the Samsung Bixby, which is their own virtual assistant. So these are some of the features which are added in this watch. And also who are using these Samsung phones, they can now use the camera controller app from this watch and switch from photo to video. And the LTE version of the watch will also have the option to switch this SIM easily if there is no preferred SIM selected. And also if we just swipe down the notification tray, you can see now the battery percentage and all the important information at a glance. Previously it used to show after some time, but now it is showing instantly, so that you can know the battery percentage in this watch. And also the overall feel of this watch is a lot better than the previous version, because it is responding to my touch a lot better. And also the performance of the watch has been improved after the update. So that's it guys, I wanted to tell you all the features and the watch faces which are added in this watch after the update. Hope Samsung will be improving this watch by releasing new updates and also will add new features to this watch. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. Thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.